Welcome to 48 Stockton Street. We're located here in Union Square District. It's corners of O'Farrell and Stockton Street. This is level 6 at 48 Stockton Street. We're in the early stages of safe-off of mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and we're getting ready for soft demolition to start next week. Demolition is going to include all ceilings, all interior walls, all the existing furniture, flooring, etc. And getting ready for a core shell space that will be utilized for commercial space. My name is Martin Donoghue. I'm a senior project manager with Plant Construction. I've been with Plant for 9 years. This is a 67,000 square foot building. It was built in 1908, has remained a department store up until Barney's of San Francisco left in 2018. Plant now has been hired to convert this retail space into office. We're also here to replace all the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, and we are going to build out the basement for a bike commuter room, service and lobby area on the first, and then replacing all 4 existing elevator cars with new. One of the big challenges right now is location. Located on the corner of O'Farrell and Stockton, laydown area is extremely limited. Another challenge is with this being an existing wood frame historic building, we're going to do some extensive demo on the interiors and replacing of the elevator cars. So there's going to be a lot of extra care taken with preservation of the existing finishes, primarily the wood windows, the exterior facade. So there's going to be a lot of great detail needed and coordination that we preserve that.